Welcome back to How to Crypto. As promised, in this episode we will register for an online crypto wallet. I will guide you through every step to open your new private crypto wallet. Alright, let's jump into it. We are looking at the Android screen again. So we need to locate our Play Store. It's an app store if you're an iPhone. Okay, in search bar we need to type in Metamask, as that is the online wallet we will be using to register for today. Okay, Metamask is in. So pay attention, we need to see exactly this. So a headshot of a picture of a fox saying Metamask, and it must be developed by Metamask Web3 wallet. Once you can confirm you see this, we click on install. Okay. And the application is now installing. Alright, great. Looks like the Metamask blockchain wallet has been finally installed. So what we can do now is either click on open, which will take you directly into your Metamask app, or close the Play Store and you should see it on your phone. Alright, as it says, let's get started. We are gonna set up an account with Metamask, which is the biggest online Web3 wallet. So what we're looking now is a Metamask home screen. However, this is as a browser extension, as due to security reasons, Metamask phone app is not allowing you to record the screen while setting up a wallet. But don't worry, the steps are exactly the same. Okay, so we are looking at the Fox icon of the Metamask brand. So we need to select the box that you agree to the terms of use of Metamask and click on create a wallet. Okay, here is just another statement that if you like, you can participate in helping Metamask improve their core features. So you can either agree or you can say no thanks, you don't want this, move on. It's just supplying a little bit more information. Either way is good. So we are now on creating a password screen. So you need to create the password which you will use to access your wallet. So as it says here, it needs to be 8 characters minimum. So let's enter that. Here it will tell you if your selected password is weak, it's good, or it's strong. So try to set it up as strong. Okay, so I have selected password as my password, but please do not repeat this, as this is simply for the purpose of this tutorial. And once you have done this and you have a check mark here that they both match, you can select this box that you understand and acknowledge that Metamask cannot recover this password for you. That's correct. That is the whole point of decentralization. They do not store or keep your data, and especially password. So if you lose it, there's only one thing that can save you, which we will cover just in a second. But don't lose it. So check the box and click on create a new wallet. Okay, so the next screen is talking about how you can secure your wallet. Let's not delve into the video. You can see it if you like, but for the purpose of this video, we will move on and we will click on this button which says secure my wallet, and it also says that it is recommended. So this basically prompts you to create your secure seed phrase, which is your backup to access your wallet in case you lose password or change to a new device. So let's go ahead and do that. Here it simply explains what is a secret recovery phrase or a seed phrase. So in this case, a seed phrase will be 12 random words, which you will see in the next slide. So again, here it's just simply reminding you how to store your seed phrase. So I would not recommend to store your seed phrase in your email or anywhere online, which can be compromised and hacked. So store it, best would be write it down on multiple pieces of paper and store it in a safe place. As safe, pun intended. So make sure you think of this step very well, because this is your last resort, how to access your funds and not to lose them. So once you are ready to move on, click on this button which says reveal the secret recovery phase. Okay, and here it is. So for the purpose of this tutorial, this is my wallet's secret recovery phase. As you can see, it is in numeric index, and that is the exactly same way you will need to enter the words when you are recovering your wallet in numeric order. Each time you create a wallet, the words will be completely different. Okay, so here you can copy all the words to a computer folder, but I would not recommend to do that. Do not keep this information on your computer or on your phone. Write it down manually. Once you have done this, make sure, double check that what you have written down is what you see on the screen, then click on next. Okay, here the Metamask app is simply trying to make sure that you did write down the secret recovery phrase and is giving you a test to prove that. So here it asks me to enter third, fourth, and eighth word. All right, looks like the wallet creation was successful. Perfect. So let's just quickly run over the main terms. So Metamask cannot recover your secret recovery phase. Metamask will never ask for your secret recovery phrase, and never share your secret recovery phase with anyone. If someone is asking you for your password or phrase, it is a scam. People, it's a scam. It's a hacker trying to get into your wallet and steal your funds. If you do somehow leak your password or secret recovery phase, your funds will be gone in under a minute. Please remember, keep your funds safe. Okay, and once you understand these few steps, we can click on Got It. Okay, this is just reiterating that the Metamask wallet installation is complete, and we can click on Next. And done. Okay, this is just a prompt advising us as a user of new features of Metamask. So what we can do is just click on the X here to close that window. Okay, and this is how your new digital online crypto wallet looks like. Right now we have no assets, therefore information, what you see, is quite minimal. In the next video, we will dive into understanding the insides of your new crypto wallet. I chose to demonstrate this with Metamask wallet, as it is the most popular online crypto wallet with largest community and users behind it. Also, it is safe and rich in great features and growing fast into the correct direction. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next episode.